Pop-up ads are extremely frustrating on desktop, but they are sometimes a problem on mobile devices too. If you are sick of pop-ups using your experience on Android, I will tell you how you can put a stop to them in a minute in this video. And before this video begins, subscribe to iSpecs for daily informative tech videos. First, open settings on your Android smartphone or tablet. Scroll down to Google and click on it. Then click on Ads and turn off Opt-out Personalization. That's it. Hope you end up liking this video and found it useful. If you do, like and share this video, and while you are down there, subscribe to this channel for more informative tech videos. See you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.